Hi everyone, so I want to talk about grade 6, course 1. This is 2.3 about translating between tables and expressions. So now here's an example. So how do we write an example for the missing value in the table? So now we see that in the table there are two people's age. One is Riley's age, the other is Ashley's age. So in Riley's age, when Riley is 9 and Ashley is 11, so we can sort of feel that these two people may be either really good friends or maybe just sister. But the question didn't tell us their relationship. So all we know is that when Riley is 9, Ashley is 11. When Riley is 10, Ashley is 12. When Riley is 11, Ashley is 13. So their age difference is always the same. So the difference between Riley and Ashley is +2, +2, +2, +2. So when Riley's age is n, Ashley's age, it will actually be n plus 2. Okay, so then in table B, we see eggs and dozens. So we can clearly see that 12 eggs entitles to 1 dozen. 24 eggs will become 2 dozens. 36 eggs becomes 3 dozens. 48 eggs become 4 dozens. And E egg, if I have E number of egg, and how many dozen it will be. So as I know, it's 12 eggs in a dozen. So everything divided by 12 will allow us to count the dozen. So, example 2. How are we going to write an expression for a sequence? So the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to n, and then I have the values of terms. So 1, the values of term is 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9, 5, 11, and n. So from here, the value of term, so 1 is 5, 1 is 3, 2 is 5, and then 3 is 7, and 4 is 9, and then 5 is 11. So now we have to check and guess the sequence. So position, when n equals to 1, when a, this is a0. Okay, let's just say a0 equals to, okay, don't say a0. I'm so sorry, I keep changing my mind. a1 equals to 3, a2 equals to 5, a3 equals to 7, a4 equals to 9, a5 equals to 11. How about an? So let's see the relationship between 1 and 3. So I started kind of guessing like n plus 2, but then the second one becomes n plus 3, and then the third one becomes n plus 4, and the fourth one becomes n plus 5, and then the fifth one becomes n plus 6. So to write in addition, I can see that this 6 is actually n plus 1, because now my n is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. And when it's 4, it's 5, 5 is also n plus 1. So my an is actually n plus 1 equals to 2n plus 1. So the answer here, an equals to 2n plus 1. So now example 3. So a tricycle has a base of 8 inches, and the table shows the area of triangle for different heights. So how can we write an expression that can be used to find the area of the triangle when the height is inches? So now my base is 8, my height is 1, 2, 3, 4, and h. So when base is 8, height is 1, my area is 4. So that's the triangle. We are trying to prove triangle angle area formula by seeing the trend and the sequence. So A and 1, the area is 4. If the base is 8, the height is 2, the area is 8. So every time we can see that it's actually 4, then becomes 8, then becomes so it's plus 8, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Okay, and we compare the height and the base, and then we can see the area is actually the base times height divided by 2. So here the area will be A times H divided by 2. So it's 4H. So the area is 4H. And then let's do think and discuss.